Are you guys into landscaping? You're looking to buy a new commercial mower and you heard that Cadet's back in the game, but you're not quite sure if you want to spend money on a brand new mower that first hit the market and you can't find any reviews. Hey, I've been there. It's kind of annoying. But luckily for you, I happen to have a little something on hand from a local dealership. The new Hydrolock. So I'll first tell you what I like about it and what I didn't like. First off, this mower met my expectation with flying colors. It was absolutely amazing on the hill. We got a hill. We'll show you in a second. We got a hill. We had a Skag top mower, wouldn't climb it. We've had John Deere's top walk behind that wouldn't climb it. We tried out different mowers on it. Nothing would even stick to that hill. Alright, I'm going to show you what happens when the tracking gets off on this mower, how it creeps when it's supposed to be in neutral. I'm going to take the parking brake off, and as you can see, it's supposed to be in neutral right now. When the tracking's off, your mower isn't in neutral, it'll still move. So this particular one, it's a little bit off, but I'm sure it's just a slight adjustment on something. I'm just demoing the mower. My brother didn't want it. It was a little bit too hard for him to handle. He wants something easier with like a joystick feel, but I absolutely loved it.